I've never seen anything like that before. Are they genetically engineered?
Don't you know what a slime is? These things are in like every game.
No.
You are really Japanese, right?